To get to the trail, take the Garrison Metro North. Right at the end of the parking lot here is where the trail begins. All right, here we're at the beginning of Arden Point, Glen Cliff, little hike, 2 loops, a few miles with both loops. And this is a good one because you can take the train right to it, Metro North. There's the railroad right through there. Off to the right, there's a red trail toward the beginning that there's a nice little swimming hole and rope swing. That's fun. 10 to 15 feet drop into the water. So try that. Easily accessible by Metro North from New York City, just hour up from the Bronx. And some good hiking trails if you're grounded. I have no idea what these ruins are. This is fascinating. Looks like some kind of old building. That refrigerator has not held anything for a while. You can see down even into the basement there. And all that's left standing is the chimneys. And this chimney here is fascinating. This one overlooks the MTA, train, Metro North, and the Hudson. Beautiful views of the Hudson. Red berries. Are they edible?